In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT as a creative dialogue writing assistant to craft realistic and character-driven scenes. Let's get started. First, I'll set a specific persona for the AI by asking it to act as a dialogue writing coach that focuses on subtext and natural rhythm. This ensures the responses avoid on-the-nose writing and instead capture how real people actually communicate. Once the AI confirms its new role and outlines how it can help, I'll provide a prompt for a specific scenario. I'm asking for a tense, restrained scene at a coffee shop where two estranged friends run into each other for the first time in years. As the AI generates the response, you can see it creating a nuanced script between characters named Emma and Luke. The resulting dialogue successfully uses stage directions and brief, awkward exchanges to build a thick atmosphere of unspoken history and tension. To explore different narrative paths, I'll now request 3 variations of this same encounter: a heated argument, a comedic version, and an emotional breakdown. This allows me to see how the same characters might react under different emotional pressures. The AI produces 3 distinct takes, ranging from a blunt confrontation where the characters finally air their grievances to a humorous version that uses deflection to hide the pain. The final emotional breakdown provides a vulnerable look at their relationship, giving me several high-quality options to choose from for my story. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.